Looks like we're brewing up Secret Stash. A stick of beer, a Düsseldorf-style Altbier, is popularized by gossip. Let's get brewing.
Add 1.5 gallons of water to a large pot. And heat the water until it reaches 155 degrees Fahrenheit. Using a grain bag, add the malt and steep for 20 minutes while closely maintaining temperature. After 20 minutes, remove the grain bag and allow excess liquid to drip. Bring the wort to a boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat and stir in the Pilsen dry malt extract until fully dissolved. Then return to heat and bring to a boil. Add the Perla hops for bittering and set the timer for 60 minutes. With 30 minutes left in the boil, add the spalt hops for flavor. And at the very end of the boil, add more spalt hops. Cover and transfer the pot to the sink to cool. Once cooled to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, use an autosiphon to transfer the wort to a clean and sanitized carboy. Finally, pitch the yeast, place a stopper in the carboy, and shake to aerate the wort. Use an autosiphon to transfer the beer from the primary fermentation carboy into a clean and sanitized secondary carboy. Place a new stopper with an airlock and return to ferment and condition. Use an autosiphon to transfer the beer to a bottling bucket. Fill each bottle carefully, leaving approximately an inch of headroom. Top off bottles as the foam settles to reach that inch of headroom. If not using priming sugar, add 1 carbonation drop to each 12-ounce bottle and 2 carbonation drops to a 22 or 24-ounce bottle. Then, using a capper, firmly seal each bottle with a cleaned and sanitized cap.
And just like that, we have finished brewing up our secret stash, the Düsseldorf-style Altbier. Now, of course, we're not quite done yet, but we're done with all of the process. We have to let these bottles now sit for about 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks, to let those carbonation drops carbonate the beer. I know, this is the hardest part because we're basically done, but the last step is patience. Be sure to stay tuned in a couple weeks because I'm going to crack one open and we're going to give it a try and give it an honest review and a rating of this beer. And be sure to follow along for more homebrew content. Until next time, cheers.